If you like to listen to music, then, I will surprise you that you can make money just by listening to music, and more than that, it's not just one way to do it, there is multiple ways and websites that pay you just to listen to music. Hey, it's Income Daily Channel. In this video I will show you how to make money online, just by listening to music, but before starting subscribe to channel and like the video to help me posting new videos, and let's start. Today's video, I will present you the best 7 websites that pay you in your PayPal account just by listening to music, and it's 100% free. If you already listen to music while working, eating or using a computer, then these websites will enable you to earn extra money on your phone or computer by engaging in activities that you already enjoy. Today, we have the list of the top 7 websites that legitimately pay you listen to music. The use of these websites is totally free, even though won't replace your traditional job. Nonetheless, it will put a little additional money in your pocket each month. After all, we are getting paid for our own hobby. The only thing you have to do is register for the top reputable music streaming services, apps and websites. So let's not waste a second and jump right in the list for today. Starting with number 7, Radio Earn. On number 7, we have a website that allows you to make money while listening to the radio. You can start listening to online radio stations, and accumulate points as soon as you create a free account. You can create your own playlist and listen to the radio, and you will be rewarded for each 15 or 20 minutes you spend listening to music. You will receive points. Payments can be made each month in the form of bank transfers, Bitcoin, or Amazon gift cards. Number 6, Cash 4 Minutes. The website Cash 4 Minutes compensates its users for making calls and listening to the internet radio. To register for an account, you'll have to enter your contact details including a phone number. Then you'll receive emails with corresponding tasks to complete after finishing your profile. To earn money, you have to call when the provided numbers to listen to the radio broadcast. Listeners of Cash 4 Minutes receive about 0.08 every minute. Payments can be made via PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, or you can use Amazon gift cards as well. Number 5, Playlist Push. How awesome would it be to be able to appraise music while also getting paid to listen to them? You can accomplish it by using Playlist Push. The platform's goal is to assist up-and-coming vocalists and independent artists in their endeavors. This website is for you if you believe you have an excellent ear for music, and must have a playlist that everyone can view on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music to be eligible for the reward. Each playlist must have a minimum of 1,000 followers, and a minimum of 30 people should be actively listening to the playlist that you have created. And if you succeed in doing all of this, then you are eligible for the reward. It might be difficult initially, but with time it will be easy and precise. You can also earn from $1 to $12 for each song that you review on this website. Number 4, Music Gateway. You may earn up to £800 per month just by curating music through Music Gateway. You've got to make a playlist so that you can make money on this platform. People who want to promote their songs use this platform, and you can help them by listening to their songs and promoting them as well. According to Music Gateway, a yearly salary between £20,000 to £40,000 has been given to the people who use this website. But for that to happen, you have to make a lot of playlists. Music Gateway does not require you to have followers, in contrast to Spotify. For 200 playlists you get paid $136. This is pretty much a decent amount. Keep in mind that in order to attain your goal of 200 you must continue to create new playlists. But before that, make sure you press the like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming videos like these. Trust me, it helps a lot. Number 3, Music Xray. The website portal Music Xray allows musicians to contribute their songs and get paid for doing so. It's a website that links talent scouts of artists by submitting their songs to the site and gaining followers. These musicians pay a specific amount to market their music and grow fan base for the purpose of listening to preferred music. Users can register as fans. The website then pays the users or fans to listen to the music of such amateur musicians. The majority of the recordings last just 30 to 35 seconds. You can earn up to $12 per hour from this website just by listening to music. Only PayPal is used by Music Xray to pay its users. The minimum payout requirement is $20. Music Xray is probably the most reliable website that rewards you to listen to music. Number 2, Hit Predictor. Have you ever fantasized about having access to new music, even before it becomes widely available? With the help of Hit Predictor, a music review platform that compiles customer feedback on new songs, you can now make this fantasy a reality. You can select the kind of music you want to listen to when you join out. Next you'll rate the music you just listened to. Hit Predictor offers prizes, in the same manner as many of the music websites on our list. But you can also earn by rating artists as well. Each song you rate will get you 3 points, which equals to $1. Once you accumulate enough points you can redeem them for Amazon gift cards. Number 1. Collect. This website truly works to build an environment that links brands and music creators with curators. In a few easy steps as a curator you may sign up to this website, and will be able to work with different brands to give them proper feedback on their music brands. We'll expect you to give recommendations as well to get chosen for the job. You need to have a suitable amount of experience in the music industry. Additionally, you must maintain a respectable online presence. If you join his organization, it will give you the finest opportunity to earn money from reviewing music, and it will also allow you to communicate with other people who share the same interests in music. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Thank you for being with us. See you soon in our next video.